In topic number 3, life process in a living organism. In the first video, we see asexual reproduction and the first method was the binary fission. Now, in this video, we are going to study the multiple fission. Second method of asexual is a multiple fission. What is a multiple fission? Multiple fission is performed by amoeba. It found only in some mainly in amoeba, and there some other organisms are there. They also reproduces like a protist. When there is an unfavorable condition appears, means when there is a loss, water is not available, food is not available, then amoeba stops formation of a pseudopodia. They stop this formation of a pseudopodia, and therefore their movement is also stopped. Then as a result, generally amoeba is like that. This rule. But when there lack of condition, then the amoeba form stop the formation of pseudopodia, so that it got a rounded shape. Rounded shape or the circular shape. In this, the plasma membrane it forms the protein covering. It forms the protein covering around the cell formed by the plasma membrane. So through this membrane, water cannot be get lost which is present in a cell. So when adverse condition is present, that time this cell live as it is. This cell which live without movement is called as a cyst of amoeba. Then, but internally, the nucleus of amoeba is getting divided. First, it divided into two, then two divided into four, four into five. So what happens? Inside the cyst, many nuclei are formed. Nuclear division take place. So then, after that nuclear division, inside the nucleus, inside the cell, the cytoplasmic division also take place, and so each nuclei is covered with a cytoplasm. As a result, many ambuli are formed in the cell. Many ambuli. Ambuli is formed inside the cell, and when favorable condition appears, then the outer wall of this cyst is burst, and then the each ambuli are released into the water and grow as a new young ones. This is known as a multiple fission type of a reproductions. Okay, this is the second type of the asexual reproduction. Then third type of the asexual reproduction is budding. It takes place in a yeast-like animals. Yeast cells perform the budding. That means the small bud is formed on the cell. When cell is mature, generally oval shape, it has a one nucleus. When cell is getting mature, the mature cells form excess growth, so that this on the cell, the excess cell is grow, as well as that time the nucleus also start to divide, while the excess part of the body is growth. That time the cytoplasmic layer is also increases into the excess part cell of the body. This excess cell of body is called as a bud. Simultaneously, the nucleus also divided into two nuclei, which is transferred into this new part of the excess growth of the body, that is a bud. Then this cell, the bud is when completely grow, that time the parent cell from it separate from the parent cell and then grow as a new young one. As a result, from the single cell of each two daughter cells are produced. This small bulge appears on the surface of the parent cell and then it grows and finally it separates from the parent cell. As a result, the two cells of each cells are formed. This is the type of asexual reproduction known as a budding. In your textbook, see here the diagram of each cell, reproduction of each cell is given. It forms the bud, that time nucleus is also divided, then the nucleus divided completely into, so the one daughter nuclei enter into the bud, then they are get separate. Sometime it can be form a chain of formation of a bud. This new bud can also form the another bud and then this form the, so it forms the chain of the buds and then each bud gets separated to form the new cell. Okay, in this way the initial organism asexually organisms are developed into these three types. Okay, then second method is the asexual method. Asexual method, reproduction in multicellular organisms. We will see this in a next video. Thank you so much.